Did you know that collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, which helps to maintain healthy-looking skin, hair, and nails? Our body produces collagen naturally, and it is in abundance when we are young. However, this starts to deplete in our late 20s, which, together with factors such as UV light, pollution, and poor lifestyle choices, can lead to early signs of skin aging. At Herbalife Nutrition, we believe the secret to great-looking skin starts from within. This is why we are proud to introduce our latest product innovation, Collagen Skin Booster. Collagen Skin Booster is a beauty drink containing Verisol P, which is scientifically proven to reduce the visible signs of skin aging. Verisol P contains powerful bioactive collagen peptides, proven to reduce eye wrinkles and to improve skin elasticity after only 4 weeks. Verisol P has also been shown to decrease visible signs of cellulite after 3 months of regular usage. Available in a refreshing strawberry and lemon flavour, Collagen Skin Booster is low in calories, gluten-free, and contains 9 key vitamins and minerals, including biotin, vitamin A, C, zinc, and selenium, which contribute to the maintenance of normal skin, hair, and nails. Simply mix 1 scoop with 250 milliliters of water and stir for a convenient beauty drink to help support your skin beauty. Collagen Skin Booster, expert nutrition for your skin. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.